Welcome back to the channel. Did you know the global flying car market is expected to hit $1.5 trillion by 2040? That's not a dream, that's a projection from serious analysts. So here's the big question. Are we watching the end of conventional cars as we know them? China might just be giving us that answer. While other countries are still testing the waters, China is already deep in the flying car game, turning what once seemed like science fiction into a real, functioning industry. And it's moving fast, way faster than anyone expected. Think about the frustrations of everyday driving, endless traffic jams, long commutes, rising fuel costs, and air pollution choking our cities. Traditional vehicles are increasingly becoming part of the problem. The roads are overcrowded, and we're losing precious time and energy every day. The transportation systems we've relied on for over a century simply can't keep up with modern demands, but flying cars promise a way out. Thanks to rapid advancements in electric propulsion, AI navigation, and lightweight composite materials, vehicles that can lift off vertically, cruise above traffic, and land almost anywhere are no longer just cool CGI in movies. They're being built right now. Chinese companies are pushing the boundaries with bold innovations. Take Xpeng Aerode, for example. Their hybrid flying car has already performed public demonstrations, showing smooth transitions between ground driving and vertical takeoff. Then there's Zhang, whose EH-216 autonomous aerial vehicle has already received approval for commercial operations in China, making it one of the first real flying cars you could actually ride. These machines don't just fly, they do so cleanly, efficiently, and with precision. Fully electric, autonomous, and designed with urban travel in mind, they're positioned to dramatically reduce road congestion and carbon emissions, while cutting travel times by more than half in major cities. This is no longer a distant dream. The technology works. The infrastructure is coming together, and the government support is strong. China is making a statement to the world. The future of mobility isn't on four wheels, it's in the sky. So what does that mean for the rest of us? Is this the moment we start trading in our sedans for something that looks like a mini aircraft? Or is there still too much uncertainty to make the jump? Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you trust a flying car to get you to work safely? Or do you think we're still years away from everyday use? Hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. And get ready, because in the next episode, we'll explore how flying cars could reshape entire cities and economies. Don't miss it.